Create a launch group before you even launch your product on Amazon. This will blow up your sales from day one and get you a ton of reviews right away. Your product page needs to be optimized for sales. And later in this video, I'm gonna share with you 10 secrets on how to dramatically increase your product's conversion rate. And I'm gonna show you the #1 mistake that beginners make when creating their product. This one little secret of creating a coupon code can increase your sales by 50% if you do it correctly. PPC is the secret that the professionals are using to get more sales. And in my opinion, this is the most powerful, most profitable advertising tool in the world. And I'll share with you these secrets on how to properly use Amazon's PPC platform later in this video. The coupon stack is a ninja trick that will make your customers want to buy multiples of your product. This will increase your sales, which will increase your sales rank, which will in turn get you even more sales. The #6 secret is you need to make your Amazon product stand out. And this is the biggest mistake I see beginners making, and this is why so many beginners fail at Amazon. And I'm gonna show you how to completely avoid this. But by far, the biggest secret to success on Amazon is picking the perfect product. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly how I found my 6-figure passive income product. And I'm even gonna share with you what my product is. And by using this method, you can get started selling on Amazon with almost no money. And this is the biggest secret and by far the best way to make money online that I've ever found. And I wanna see you succeed and avoid all the pain I had to go through finding out these secrets. So let's get started with #1, which is one of the most important secrets, one of the most powerful tips nobody is talking about, and that is a launch group. A launch group is where you basically get a group of potential customers, people that would potentially buy your product, into a Facebook group. It can also be on an Instagram page or an email list. Personally, I recommend doing all of them, but by putting people in a Facebook group, it's very powerful. This allows you to share your product, get feedback on your product, on your logo, on your design, every aspect of it, so that when you do go to launch on Amazon, the people in your launch group are gonna feel invested in your product. They're gonna buy it on day one. They're gonna also be more likely to leave reviews. Amazon will see this spike in sales, these high quality reviews, and they're gonna know that you have a great product. On top of that, by leveraging the launch group, you're gonna make a better product because you're gonna be showing them the design and they're gonna be giving you real-time feedback so that when you do go to launch, you're gonna have an amazing product to sell. If you wanna learn more how to properly launch your product and how to properly utilize a launch group, I have a video up here and I'll put a link down below as well. But launching your product is only part of the battle. You need to have an optimized product page. You need to have a good title and you need to make sure it contains lots of keywords, things that people would search for on Amazon to find your product. But that's not enough. You need to make sure that it's enticing to your customers as well. You also get 5 bullet points, and this is a chance for you to highlight the benefits of your product. Again, make sure it contains lots of keywords that your customers might be searching for. By putting keywords in the title, in the bullet points, Amazon knows what your product's about and it's more likely to rank you higher up in the search result. The main image is probably the most important part of your product page, and this is where most beginners make a mistake. Put as much energy and effort into making a good main image as you can, because this is what people look at before they click on your product. I recommend using a high quality computer generated image, and if you need a referral to someone, you can join my Facebook group and I'm happy to share with you who I personally use. This allows you to get the perfect picture, and one more note about the main image is you want as little white space as possible. You want your image to take up as much room as possible. It'll make your product look bigger in the search results and pop more. You also want to add as many other images as you possibly can. Your product from different angles and all the benefits, all the ways to use your product. This is important because not everyone's gonna read your description or your bullet points, so highlight the benefits of your product as best you can. Other than the title and the main image, the review section is probably the next most important. You need to do everything you can to get as many good reviews as possible. If you haven't yet, get a trademark as early as possible. This will allow you to get brand registered in Amazon, which will allow you to add branded content. And this is just another chance for you to sell your product. Put images in there, put nice descriptions, and again, use the section to convince potential customers to buy your product. You can also add a video, and this allows you to convey things you might not be able to in images. And I also highly recommend putting yourself in the video, letting people know that they're buying from a real person. And you can use the questions and answer section to alleviate any concerns potential customers might have about buying your product. The third secret is to add a coupon code. And this is a ninja hack I only recently found out about, and it does a lot of amazing things. The first thing it does is it makes your product stand out in the search results. People are more likely to click on your product if it has a coupon code because that little green badge that says save 5, 10, 15%. And then when people do click on your product, they're more likely to convert into a sale because they feel like they're getting a deal. It's easy to set up a coupon code. I'll put a link to a video down below on some more information on how to properly set up your coupon code. PPC advertising with Amazon is extremely powerful, extremely profitable, and there's two main types. There's sponsored products and there's sponsored brands. Let's talk about sponsored products first. Within sponsored products, you can either do product targeting or keyword targeting. And keyword targeting is basically where you say, I want to show my ad in the search results when people type in certain keywords. For instance, you might tell Amazon, every time someone types in peanut butter, I want to show my ad and I'm willing to pay $1 for every time someone clicks on my ad and goes to my product page. Now contrast that with product targeting, which is where you tell Amazon which products that you want to show your ad on. And it could be products that are competitors of yours, or it could just be other products that you know that if someone buys that product, they'd also be interested in your peanut butter. Now, banner ads, on the other hand, is very similar to keyword targeting product ads, but instead of just showing your product, it's actually a complete banner at the top of the search result. With all these different types of campaigns, they have manual bidding where you pick the keywords or the products that you want to target, but they also have a really nifty feature called automatic targeting, which you basically tell Amazon, I'm willing to pay $1 a click, you do what you think's best. And surprisingly, that actually works really well. Amazon actually does a really good job at finding you profitable traffic. I have a complete video diving way deeper into PPC. I'll link up here, and I'll put a link down below as well. The coupon stack is another hack that my mentor actually taught me. And the way it works is you basically give a discount anytime someone buys more than one of your products. And what this does is it makes people want to buy more. When you know you're gonna save money, there's a part of your brain that gets triggered and you say, maybe I do need 2 of these, or maybe I can give one to a friend. Again, this is very powerful because Amazon sees that you're selling more, which means that it's more likely to put you higher up in the search results, which in turn means you're going to sell more product. It's very easy to set up, but if you want me to do a video about this, leave a comment down below. Also, if you want more information about any of these, leave a comment down below. We're almost at what I consider the most important secret, but this secret is still very important, and that's that you need to make your product stand out. This is why old school private labeling is dead. No longer can you just take a boring product, put it up on Amazon, and expect to be a millionaire overnight. You need to make your product stand out, because if your product doesn't stand out, nobody's gonna click on it. And if nobody clicks on it from the search results, no one's gonna buy your product. I've already talked about a lot of ways to make your product stand out. A good main image, a good title, lots of reviews, but by far the most important way to make your product stand out is secret number 7, and that's to be selling the perfect product. To me, the perfect product to sell on Amazon is a product that you create. It's gotta be unique. There's gotta be something different about it. When I quit my corporate job, I started a dance clothing company, something I knew nothing about. I just knew that it had the potential to be profitable. It was a grind. Ideally, the product that you sell on Amazon would be a product that you are passionate about, something that you really wish existed in the world. This will make it so much easier to do every step of this. And you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can use Kickstarter or Indiegogo to crowdfund your product. And within a month of launching on Amazon, I hit the goal that I had when I first quit my corporate job, making 6 figures passive income. If you're interested in learning even more, I'm creating a step-by-step course, and you can get on the wait list by clicking up here. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to enjoy the journey.